Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna show you for those who doesn't have FB page yet. Alright, so you can go through the your settings page at the three line there. Okay, so you see the pages tab, alright, with a lot of tabs. So you pick the one, click the one with the pages. Okay, then you can click on the create button. Okay, then you go to create your page, so you just click on the get started. Okay, then you have to name your page. Alright, try to think before you key your page name. Get a few names. Okay, then pick the best out of it, and you just type on it. Okay, so this is just a sample only. Okay, contoh aja. Alright. Okay, in the future, if let's say you wish to change your shop name, not to worry, will be later on. I will guide you through that. If you wish to change, then I will just make a video for it. Yeah. Okay, so this is, then again, it's just a sample. Okay. Okay, all right, so the next one, you can just pick more than one for the category of for your shop. Okay, you can just pick only one also can. Okay, and then for the address, you don't want to put your address, is okay. If you wish to put, also can. You can just key your area that you live in, or you can just put Singapore. Okay, because FB page is for the world to see you. Okay, they may not know just that particular area you are living. Yeah, so if you don't want to put, you can just click on the bottom and you press next. Okay, so the next one is a website. Alright, if you have a product website that you already set up, you can put your link over here. Okay, but if you don't have, you can just click next. Okay, right, so this one is your profile picture, which is your logo and cover photo. Okay, with the cover your area. Alright, so for now I will just have to click. Okay, so it's already been set up. Okay, now there are a few things that we need to cover before your page can be fully utilized. Alright, not to worry, you can always change the settings later part. Okay, so these are the features that you need to complete, okay, before you post anything for your page. Okay, so not to worry, if you stuck halfway, you can just repeat backwards for the video, or if you need more explanation, you need me to explain even furthermore, you can just let me know. Okay, alright, so then again, for your logo, profile picture is your logo shop. Alright, you can use the logo maker app, or if you have other logo makers that you can use, go ahead. Alright, okay, so this one is the invite people. Invite people is you invite your Facebook friends that currently you have. Alright, so you can select all. Okay, don't need to be choosy, because you want to have people follow you first. Alright, when people would audience. In fact, audience were to see, then they would also follow your page, because FB page is followed, I mean makes you well known is due to the followers, right? So these are just the samples that you need to complete, the sections that you need to complete, okay, before you can utilize your page. Okay, so for this is connect WhatsApp. If you want to connect your WhatsApp business number, you can just click on it. So I just going to show you how it works. Okay, just click on it and find a Singapore code, which is the +65. Okay, then once you find it, you can just click on it and then followed by your number. Okay, make sure this number is valid, okay, because this is your shop, so every information that you input in your about area is very, very important. Okay, alright, so you can just key in the code that they given you. Okay, and then it's already been set up there. Okay, okay, so now we're gonna go to the next section, right? Add a page button for visitors. Okay, add button is also quite important feature. It will make easier for customer to reach you. Okay, alright, so I've already used WhatsApp as my page button, but you can also choose a different button. There's multiple of it. Okay, but choose one that is you think that a lot of customers can be able to reach you. Alright, okay, so for me, I will put as a sample, I will put WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is one of the fastest platform media that the customer can get through you. Okay, alright, so the other one would be the Facebook Messenger. A lot of the send message there. A lot of sellers use that button as well. Okay, so even shop now as well. Okay, so no need to worry. This is just a simple guideline, okay, for you to be able to understand more of the features connecting with your customers. Okay, so basically you are almost done, okay, for your new create page. Alright, so this part, update description is about your shop. Okay, so you can just put just a sample I'm gonna type in. Okay, you can be more creative in your words for describing of your shop. Okay, because this description, it will appear in if customers search in the search engine, right, for your shop, yeah, this will appear straightforward. So it has to be just a short, straightforward that reflects your shop. Yes, correct. Yeah, short description of your items would be good. Yeah, right, and one sentence will be good as well, describing about your shop. Okay, alright, So then you can save it. Okay, so then if you have a phone number, like I said before, you can key. If not, you can just click and then saved. Okay, website as well, don't have, you just click it and save. Okay, same goes with email address. Okay, so email address, for me it would be wise to have one for your business, because there are, like I said before, FBNs may around the world may not prefer to have uh, communicate through messenger. They would prefer through email. So yeah, please do have one. Okay, so if you don't have like you can just click the and then just press saved. For update hours, okay, you can this is your opening shop hours. Okay, so you can have it, you may opt for not having it as well. Okay, so you can choose the days, even the timing, you can add the timing also. Yes, correct. So yes, so for me I would put for all the days, because this is like a 24 hours shop. Okay, all right, because during, I mean, if you're gonna portray your business and you publish it in for public to see, some parts of the world may not have, different timing as us. Yes, so it'd be wise to just put all the 7 days to get to open, but timing wise is up to you. Okay. Right. Okay, but even if your shop is closed, they can still send you a message, um, so not to worry. Okay. All right, so for this one, you can as you can see, the top is about this COVID-19 update. I usually leave it aside. There's about as well, about bottom there. Yes, there been your shop name, your categorize. So whatever that you key in before is already been summarized and input for you nicely. Okay, so yeah, so this, the area that left out is only your logo and your cover photo. So these two, you can create it and then you can just input it later on. Okay, so everything is already been keyed in for you nicely, placed it for you nicely. All right. Okay, so there is a contact number. Okay, if you have, put, and location as well. If you want to put it, also can. If you want to change it anytime, also can. Okay, at the more bottom, more portion, you can add information about your products that you are selling. Okay, about your services that you offer. Okay. So basically this portion, it will appear in your FB page, about section. Okay, they will have a section whereby at the bottom, if I'm not wrong, at the bottom of your contact, or there's a three dot there where they say more info there. Yeah, they can click on it and then they would know. Okay, so basically you're done. Okay, see, it's quite easy actually. Okay, not to worry, ladies. These are for those who want to create a new page for your business. All right, so not to worry. Okay, you can always change your info anytime, any day. Okay, even your shop name and username as well. Okay, so just gonna key in one more time. Yeah, all right. So after this, I'm gonna show you how I actually to make it more clearer, okay, for your search engine. You know, it would be easier that people can find you in the search engine. Okay. Okay. So everything has been set up now. Okay. Okay, so this is just a sample, but you can always add in later on. Okay. Okay. Okay, so just gonna flip to the main page. All right. Okay, so there's the name of the shop, the one with the orange. Okay, and then everything is complete, almost complete, I can say. Okay, so, except for the photos of your profile. Okay. Okay, so there. Okay, as you can see, for the invite friends, okay, you can straight away invite your friends after you create your logo and your cover area, your cover profile, your cover picture has been put up. All right, so we want them to see our shop, that our shop is ready. Okay, to have them follow you and like your page is one of the first step to reach a wider audience, because your FB page, the more followers you have, the faster, the wider that you can go. Okay, besides the point that you need to have make payment for more engagements, you know, all this, but if you do it properly, you may not need to actually, you know, keep paying advertisements for your page. Just continue to do it on the previous video that I've mentioned. Keep posting, you know, keep posting on videos of your products, your reviews, and then tag your FB page link, copy link or your post to your personal page. Okay, that's how you get wider, one of the technique actually for you to get more engagement. Okay, so after you create it, your logo and your cover photo, then you can post welcoming, first one, welcoming welcoming post, and then followed by your for now we have promos, so you can just post on promos as well, and follow your products and reviews. Okay, and do not forget about your story as well. Okay, it's also very important. You can always put your story first. You need not to have, if you don't have an IG, it's okay, you can just create from there. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the search engine. Alright, so I will just need to key Ain Suna. There you go, Ain Suna shops. Okay, you press Ain, it's already come out already. So it's straightforward. and people can find you easily. All right, so there you go, the info there, like previously that I have mentioned, short simple summary about your shop. Okay, once your logo is up, it will be more interesting, and you have more info. Like I said, you can always put more words, the moment, then followed by your photos at the bottom. Okay, is always link your shop name first at the top and followed at the bottom of the photos at the bottom. Okay, so you just click on it and then you can see your page. All right. Okay, so for the next video, I will show you, there's a section where you see below your shop name, create page at username. Okay, I'll show you in the next video. It's a very short video. Okay, this is for the audience to search your shop in an easier way. All right, so there you go. You still have further questions about which area that you're not sure, please do let me know, and then I can just give you a one-to-one guide for you. Okay, so thank you for your time to watch this video. So for those who have already tried to create, please do so and try, and I will try my best to guide you as soon as I can. Okay, thank you.